Okay, here we go. Logarithms now. And logarithms are fairly basic, okay? Especially common logarithms. All right. So you need to understand that if you have a number to a power equals a number, you can write that as a log in this way. So y equals log base b of x, base b of y equals x. That these go with each other. Okay? So what does that mean? Well, if y equals log base 2 of 16, that means 2 to the y power equals 16. So what would y equal in this case? 2 to the what power equals 16? 4. Okay? That's logarithms. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Logarithms aren't that hard as long as you get the connection. Okay? Get this connection and it's easy. Taylor, got it? How's that puzzle coming? Just started? Okay, well, maybe pay attention to this for a little while first. Thank you. All right, so y equals b to the x. Its graph looks like this. A log is the inverse of it. It's the inverse of it, okay? So these two things are inverses, okay? All right. So the log base anything of 1 equals 0 because anything to the 0 power equals 1. The log base b of that is always going to be 1 because these are going to be equal to each other. Okay? So b to the y power equals b to the y power. And then a number to a log power of the same base is just the n number. Okay? And we'll go through those. We'll go through a couple of those. Okay. So 2 to the negative third power is 1/8. 2 to the negative second is 1/4. 2 to the negative first is 1/2. 2 to the 0 is 1, and so on. So if you do log base 2 of x, okay, it's the inverse of this. So log base 2 of 1/8 is -3. Log base 2 of 1/4 is -2. So these numbers just switch around, just like a normal inverse does. Okay? They just switch around. Okay? The common logarithm is a base 10 logarithm. So if it's not written there, so if we have log of 4, or no, log of 100, excuse me, log of 100. What this means is log base 10 of 100. 10 to the what equals 100? 10 to the what equals 100? 2. Okay? So log of 100 equals 2. What's log of 10,000 equal to? Not 3, 4. Okay? What's a log of 0.1 equal to? Not half. Wait, no. Yeah, it is -1 because this is log base 10 of 1/10. 10 to the negative first power is 1/10. So that's why it equals -1. Okay? Logarithms. Okay? So log base 10 of 0 equals 1. So this to this power equals this. Okay? So 10's down here. This to this power equals this. 10 to the first equals 10. 10 to the y equals 10 to the y. 10 to the log of x just equals x. Okay? When a log is a power on a 10, then it's just what the number is. Okay? We good there? So, if we were told this, what's my base? No, what's my base? 10. If there's no number written down there, 10 is my base. 10 is my base. So I have 10 to the fourth power. That's 10,000. Okay. Natural logarithms are logarithms that occur in nature, like certain leaves follow a pattern and so on. So a natural logarithm has a base of e. What is e? Well, e to the first is 2.7182818459045. Remember that from the other day? We had our history lesson. Okay. So natural log and e's are inverses of each other. So the natural log of e to the y is just y. E to the natural log of x is just x. They're inverses of each other. Okay? So if you take the ln of e to the 1, it's just 1. The ln of 1 is 0 because e is 0 equals 1. Okay? So the natural log goes like that. The log goes like that. I don't know why you have that graph given to you because I don't really worry about that too much. Okay? All right. Transforming logarithmic graphs. This is, that's in the second assignment today. So we'll wait till I explain the second one in 30 minutes from now. So let's get out of here. Discard. So basically, let's make sure we know what we're doing here. So if we have log base 2 of x equals 4. What exponential function do I have there? What is written down? This is a base of 2 to what power? The fourth equals x. That's what this means. This to this power equals this. Okay, that's a logarithm. You need to understand that relationship. If you don't understand that relationship, logs go right over your head. Logs are goofy. Logs are not understandable. But if you understand this to this power equals this, logs are simple. Okay? You just have to get that key point. Okay? What's 2 to the fourth? 16. Okay? Log of x equals 0.001. What's x? Well, what's our base here? 10. So 10 to the 0.001 power is what? Somebody, calculator. 2 zeros and then a 1. Oh, so how many decimal places do I want it? Whatever. Couple. 1.00 something, right? Because it's such a small power. Okay. What I meant to write is that. I goofed up. But that's all right. So you just put an X there. If it's asking you what that is, just put an X over there. So 10 to the X equals 0.001. What is X? -3. Okay. Now, some of you know how to cheat on your calculators. Some of you know how to put logs and bases and all that in your graphing calculator. Okay. There's a way to do it. I'm not going to show you how, but some of you already know how, and you'll just tell everybody else. But yeah. Are we comfortable with logarithms enough to get started on our assignment? Okay. So let's just get started. And then for the second half, we'll be working with the graphing of them.